Smart home technology can transform your room. Equipping rooms with the latest tech gadgets can make any home seem cutting edge. Having a smart home allows you to deal with many electronic gadgets and systems from over the house or over the world. Smart homes create your life comfortable. You do not have to move all over the house to perform various functions. The listed features of the smart home are enough to convince a person to turn their home smart too. To help you in this perspective, we'll discuss a list of the 5 coolest gadgets to make the room look amazing out there. So, let's check them out.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The Lumery Smart Wi-Fi recessed lights is a feature-loaded design that meets the high values of the premium grade of choice. These smart lights sync with either Alexa or Google Home Assistant, so you can turn them on or off by your voice. It arrives with an intelligent app that enables you to have superb control of this device. All you need to do to feel the experience is download the Lumery or Smart Life app. With the app, you can make an on or off schedule for the light, create groups, remote control the product, and share other devices that let smart recessed lights together. The memory function saves all your settings, delivering the freedom from worrying about repeating settings at each turn. It supports warm white and cool white from 2700K to 6500K, and it provides 16 million colors. Plus, 1% to 100% brightness is adjustable, as well as 8 scene modes. So you can DIY the scene modes of your choice. If you want to light up your environment with a touch of discreetness, then the Lumery Smart Wi-Fi recessed light is for you. If you want something that will blow your guests' minds at a party, the MoreBuyBuy Bluetooth water speaker will be the best for you. Its tunnel-like optical illusion will amaze and mesmerize your guests together with its cool dancing water show. However, when turned on, you'll be mesmerized by the way it looks. The smaller square in the middle displays a dancing water fountain show, while outer square shows a spectacular tunnel-like light display, and the light pattern on the outer square seemingly converges to the center. The sound quality is awesome for the price and quality of its mic. You still get a decent sound with a high enough volume to fuel a rave party. When not partying, the hypnotic light pattern and dancing water can lull you to a state of relaxation. Even this can help you meditate or finally find that elusive sleep. Additionally, it works ideally with your laptops, cell phones, and other devices through the 3.5mm jack input and Bluetooth streaming. Plus, you can use your microSD to play soundtracks with this device. Overall, this speaker delivers your room an awesome upgrade, and people visiting you will undoubtedly take a second look. You can definitely like ComSaf Backflow Incense burner to bring a touch of modernity to your modern life. This ComSaf Backflow Incense burner is widely used for aromatherapy, yoga, spa, meditation, and reading at home and in bedrooms, offices, and even temples for making a relaxing ambience to relieving anxiety and fatigue or improve sleep quality. Because of its high quality and beautiful design, you'll definitely love this device. One thing you'll like about this waterfall is the fact that it contains 5 platforms. This results in a beautiful cascading effect as the smoke travels downwards from platform to platform. With the incense cones burning, the smoke vapor gently streams down onto each leaf-shaped step, such as a silent waterfall with mysteriousness, which delivers you an amazing sensory enjoyment. However, this will help you maintain a peaceful mind, relieve the stress after all-day work, and improve sleeping quality. So if you are looking to impress, this will be the best bet for you. The eReading lamp from BenQ is an impressive lamp with a unique design and controls. This has a potential to be a game changer, not only for your desk but for your productivity as well. This desk lamp delivers wide lighting coverage, flicker-free lighting, and adjustable color and temperature settings. And this lamp head has a unique curved shape that delivers a 35-inch illumination range, which is 150% wider than many regular reading lamps. This lamp arrives in two pieces such as LED array and the base and boom arm. The LED array moves on a ball joint, permitting you to put into a wide variety of positions to obtain just the right angle for your light source. Moreover, great lighting quality with more than 50,000 hours lifespan, high quality ball joint construction of elbows and heavy base provide this desk lamp a sturdy build quality. In this lamp, BenQ incorporated zero flicker technology that delivers constant flicker-free and evenly distributed illumination. As a result, this will protect your eyes from strain and deliver comfort while working on your digital screen. All in all, it can be used for almost any task where you require enough light. So this can be suitable for a student, designer, engineer, architect, or even for gaming purposes. The Legrand Adorne Popout outlet has two 20-ampere receptacles that elegantly hide away when not in use. Perfect for kitchens, hallways, bathrooms, and media rooms. Easily push the outlet to pop it out. This is an awesome wall plate that will transform your walls from boring to absolutely breathtaking. This pop-out outlet arrives with a spatial frame for mounting and needs a deep electrical outlet, 22.5 cubic inches. With a patented shutter system, this plug is tamper-resistant to keep children protected. Moreover, its innovative snap-in system confirms easy installation. The pop-out outlet extends to deliver two-plug access, then uniquely disappears back into the wall with an easy push when not in use. However, now you can charge 3 devices at once, so don't waste time fighting over an outlet. In addition, it will take only 15 minutes or less to install. Finally, this will provide solutions to match any taste and finishes to fit any personality, so the choice is yours.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.